Imagine waking up every morning feeling fulfilled, empowered, and rich, not just in money, but in experiences, relationships, and purpose. This is what true wealth looks like. Today, we'll explore how to cultivate a rich life, filled with joy, meaning, and abundance. Because being rich is more than just the number in your bank account. It's about how you live your life. Segment 1. Defining true richness. First, let's redefine what it means to be rich. Take a moment to ask yourself, what brings you joy? Is it traveling, helping others, or spending time with loved ones? True richness starts with knowing what matters most to you. When you align your life with your values, you begin to attract abundance in all forms. Remember, richness is subjective. It's about living authentically. Think back to a moment when you felt truly alive. What were you doing? Who were you with? Use these moments to guide your definition of richness. Segment 2. Setting goals and taking action. Next, set clear, actionable goals. Write down your dreams and visualize the life you want. This vision will guide you on your journey to becoming rich in every sense. Break your goals into manageable steps. Even the smallest actions can lead to significant changes over time. Consistency is key. I once wanted to start a business. I set aside just 30 minutes a day to learn and network. Within a year, I had launched my dream, proving that dedication pays off. Segment 3. Building relationships. Another crucial aspect of becoming truly rich is building meaningful relationships. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who inspire you. Seek mentors who can guide you, and don't hesitate to help others on their journeys. Together, you create a network of support and encouragement that lifts everyone higher. Practical tip. Join community groups or online forums related to your interests. You'll find a wealth of resources and support that can propel you forward. Segment 4. Embracing gratitude. Practice gratitude daily. Appreciate the small things in life, a warm cup of coffee, a kind word, or a beautiful sunset. Gratitude opens your heart and attracts more abundance. Consider starting a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're thankful for. This simple act can transform your mindset. Segment 5. Giving back. Finally, share your abundance. Helping others not only enriches their lives, but also brings immense joy to yours. When you give, you create a cycle of generosity that enriches both your life and the lives of others. Whether it's volunteering time or sharing resources, every little bit counts. Real-life example. Think of a time when someone helped you. Now imagine the impact you can have by paying it forward. Segment 6. Continuous learning and growth. Becoming truly rich also means committing to lifelong learning. The world is constantly changing, and so should you. Invest in yourself, learn new skills, explore new ideas, and adapt to change. Each piece of knowledge adds to your richness. Practical steps. Enroll in a course, listen to podcasts, or read books that inspire you. Challenge yourself to learn something new each month. Segment 7. Cultivating resilience. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey. Cultivating resilience is essential to becoming truly rich. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Embrace failures as stepping stones to success. Inspiring. Example. Think of successful figures like J.K. Rowling or Steve Jobs, who faced numerous rejections but never gave up on their dreams. Their resilience transformed their lives and can transform yours too. So remember, becoming truly rich is about more than money. It's about living a life filled with purpose, joy, and connection. Start today by defining your richness, setting goals, building relationships, practicing gratitude, and giving back. If you found this video inspiring, please like and share it with others on a similar journey. Comment below with what richness means to you, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivational content. Let's create a fulfilling life together.